Hey there, I'm back again, and this is one of my first things that I did. What you see is an Everlast Heavy Bag stand there that has a sit-up station. The problem with that is that it's really hard to find a bag for somebody like me. I'm 6 feet tall. So first of all, I have to get props out to Outslayer. Their grappling bag. You can hang it, take it down, pound it. Really fits in there perfectly. So there's not much height up here for a bag. Especially if you're just doing boxing, you can put a smaller bag. But if you want to do low kicks on something, you really want it to be longer. And if you can see, the head level is really below mine still. But it's the best I can do. What's different, unique, is that if you use the Everlast Heavy Bag stand, and it gives you a little eye bolt here, what happens, it actually comes unscrewed as you keep hitting the bag. So I designed a little system. I took away the chain, I used clamps. This is a marine grade hook, eye hook, and what I did, I milled out the threading, put in a bolt with a couple lock washers, and it allows it to spin. So now, you see that it spins freely so the nut won't come undone. Also on the bottom of this, you'll notice that I have a bungee. Again, I put in a swivel hook down here so it can swivel freely. It swings, it comes back, because on these stands, you don't want a lot of swing, the whole thing will fall over. This is a 100-pound bag. Another thing that I did that really came helpful is putting a double clap pad on it. Tied up some Velcro hook, latched it in. You can come across it with hooks. You could be in, doing what you need to do, and quick do a turnaround and hit it. So it is another dimension, and it comes right off because it's Velcroed up. These are some little additions I made to it. I'll give you some close-ups of these hooks and of the lower hook. I'm telling you, if you don't have something like this on these Everlast stands, they pretty much, your bag's going to be falling off all the time. It really made a huge difference. And the other thing that made a difference is definitely Outslayer. Incredible bag. I'm telling you, it's the only one that I found that really fits, that allows me to do what I need to do. And another thing, if you buy it pre-filled, it comes wrapped in this strong vinyl. So what I did with that, another unique item, for my daughter. She watches me get on top of this and hit it. Well, she wants to turn. It's too hard for her. Stuffed it full of clothes, put a little duct tape, down, she could sit on it and pound it. So, not only with Outslayer did I get one bag, I got 2 bags. Again, imagination, creativity, simple tools. You can make your own training aids. Or make them better, let's say. Thanks for watching again.